What's up everyone and welcome to Pokemon Tuesday. In today's video we're drawing Zygarde's 10% form from Pokemon. Now we're going to be drawing our character from the side. So let's start on the top left side of our page with the eye. Starting at the very top, we're going to draw a straight line going across. And then from the ends, just going to angle down and out. Let's pull that back down and in towards the bottom of the eye. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Let's line up at the top of the eye, over on the left side. We're going to curve the head, going up and straight back towards the right. And then we'll go back to the left side and round out the top of the muzzle. Just going to curve this across and then bend that down. Now from here we're just going to work our way along the inside of the mouth. Starting from the outside, it's going to come down and then bend that in. Draw a short angle line going up. Angle this back down towards the bottom, and then we'll curve this in and then up. And then from here, it's going to draw a short angled line coming down just underneath the eye, curve out, and then down towards the corner of the mouth. Now I'm just going to bring this forward towards the jaw, coming down and then out. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the nose. From the top corner, curve down and then in, go out and then up toward the top. Now we connect the bottom of the nose to that bottom point with a curve. Let's go back down to the bottom and add 3 teeth. Starting down here, curve out and up with a short line, taper that back down. Now I'm going to layer 2 more teeth in behind. I'm going to step up, curve out and up, go out and then down. Do that one more time. Stepping up, curve out and up. Now I'm going to round out the chin. Come down and then bend that in. And we'll round out the bottom of the head, going up and then in towards the inside of the neck. Let's add that trim around the muzzle. Starting from the side of the nose, curve this out, and then pull that down beside the eye. Angle up. Curve out and then down, come down and out towards the bottom of the chin. Let's draw the back side of the mouth. Starting underneath this fang, curve in and then down, come down and then out. And then we'll layer the tongue on the inside. From the corner of the mouth, we'll step up, go out, and then down. Now from the top of the mouth, we're going to step out, come down in behind the tongue. Let's round up the front of the neck. Starting up here, come in and then down towards the body. Let's go all the way up to the top. Start with a straight angle line going up, curve this out and then down. Now I'm going to add a point. Come down with a short angled line, come down and in. Now I'm just going to trace the ear coming back in. Curve up and in. Angle this down and just pull that straight in towards the head. Now I'm going to go back and add that small detail on top of the eye. From the top corner, angle up and out. Do the same thing on the right. Just pull that up and in towards the top of the head. Now going back underneath the ear, we're going to round out the back of the head. Curving out and then down. And then bend that down towards the top of the collar. Let's round out the top of the collar. From this point, we're going to step down, curve this up, and then out. Now we're going to extend that ribbon coming out from the side of the neck. Starting up here, curve this up and out, angle down with a straight line, just bend this across and then down, angle back up and out. I'm just going to bend this back out towards the end of the ribbon. Let's add a point on the end. Come down with a straight line, and come back in. I'm going to trace the bottom of the ribbon coming back in towards the head. Rounding this out, come down with a short line, continue that curve coming in, angle this up and in, and I'll just pull this in, just lining up the back of the head. Let's round out the back, starting from the bottom of the ribbon, curve this down, and then bend that out. Let's go back and draw the bottom of the collar, starting down here, angle down and in, angle back up, draw a straight line going up, and we'll round out the bottom of the collar, going up and then out. Let's add that charm in the center. From the bottom point, we'll step up, angle up and out toward the left and right. Draw 2 straight angle lines going up towards the top, and we'll pull that up and in towards the middle. Now before we close off the front of the body, let's move over and draw the front leg. Starting up here, curve out, and then back in towards the bottom. And then from the bottom, we'll step out, draw a straight angle line going up towards the top of the paw, round out the paw, going out and then down. Let's draw on the paw, starting from the outside, curve out and then down, and down and in with a small curve. Now I'm going to overlap the second paw, stepping up and down and in and up, and we'll add one more, stepping up and down and in, out and up, go straight up and then bend that in. From the top of the paw, we'll step down, curve the arm coming out, and then bend that down. Let's round out the elbow, going out and then up. Now I'm going to add 2 points on the back of the arm. Starting up here, start with a straight line going out, angle up, angle back in, and pull that straight in towards the side of the arm. Let's draw a short line going up and add another set. Going out, going up in an angle, going up and in, and pulling that straight back. And now round out the back of the arm, going up and then bending that in. Let's separate the edge of the forearm, starting from the top, round this out, and then come down. Now we're going to go back up and close off the left side of the body, starting from the bottom of the collar, comes out, down, and then in behind the arm. Now the left arm is going to be tucked in behind the body. Just line this up, curve the arm going out, and then down, curve the forearm going out, and then down towards the paw. Now you want to draw the same paw over on the left side. Start by curving this out and then down. Round out the first paw coming in. I'm going to step up and down and in, then this up. Let's add one more. Stepping up, come down over that line, curve up and in, go up and out. Now I'm going to bend the forearm, coming back up and in, round up the elbow, pull that up in behind the front paw. Now I'm going to move over towards the right and draw on the hind leg. Let's line up the top of the leg over on the right, curve this in and then down and then back out, round out the thigh, coming down and then back. And I'll bend the leg coming down towards the paw, going out and then down. Let's close off the body between the front and back leg, starting right here, curve this up and back. Now let's draw on the back paw, starting up here, curve this out and then down and then in, and draw a short angle line going back. Let's layer a second one, stepping up, and down and in, curve this back out. And then we'll add one more, stepping up, coming down towards the bottom, curve out and then up. I'm just going to bend this up and in towards the ankle. Now let's work our way back up towards the top of the leg, starting down here, curve this in and then up, draw a short angle line coming in. Let's add that point, going straight up and out, add a point, going up, back in, come straight in towards the back of the leg. From here, we're going to go straight up and in with a straight angled line, go out with a short line, and then go straight up. Let's add another rhythm. Starting up here, go straight up and out, come down with an angled line, and then go out towards the end. And then we'll add that same point, going up and then in. Let's trace these lines going back towards the body. Coming in, going up, and then pulling that back in. Now we're going to add one more. Start with a short line going up, go straight out, and then we'll add that point, and then pull that back in towards the body. Let's close off the back. Starting up here, I'm just going to bend this up, round this out, and then come back down. Let's draw the back leg in behind the arm and body. Starting up here, angle down and out, curve down and then across. And then we'll draw in that same paw, going out, come down and in, and angle this up. Let's add the second, stepping up, come down toward the bottom, curve up, and we'll do that one more time. Coming down, out, and bend this up towards the ankle. And then we'll draw the back of the leg. Start by going up, and then out, angle this up and in behind the front leg, and then from the top, bend this up and in underneath the body. Let's go back up to the body and add those shapes. Start from the side of the body, angle down and in, come down, go back down and out. Let's line up the top over on the right, come down toward the left and right side, come down with a straight line. I'm just going to pull that down and in toward the center point. And that's pretty much it. There's Zygarde's 10% form from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.